if you want to plant an aloe garden, plant aloes that have a long flowering season. And especially plants that start flowering very early before the frost comes. So one of the best for that, and landscapers' favorite, is aloe piri piri. All over Joburg and Pretoria, you will find this now flowering in gardens. We have got a beautiful compatriot for it now. It's aloe sunshine. They go together. It's a similar growth and similar habit and similar flowering season. Then we have aloe sunrise, also flowering before the frost comes. We also have little jewel flowering now. So you can plant a whole assortment of aloes for now. And then of course, look at this. This is aloe starstruck. It's a beaut. It flowers a lot and a long flowering season. The main flowering season, believe it or not, is in September already. And look at the beautiful color. Beautiful plant too. And then of course now the aloe flowering season is starting. And from here we follow up with a lot of different ones. And this one is called autumn haze because it flowers in autumn. And very soon this will be a blaze of color. And then of course all the winter color comes afterwards. And that is the best time for aloes, and at the aloe farm you will see a splendor of them. And if you listen carefully, you'll hear the sunbirds in the background. They're already starting to come to our gardens.